Hello. To keep track of all cleaning tasks at all times, you need to have a clear customer structure. This gives you an organized view of your customers and their premises. To do this, go to Customers in the main menu and add a new one. Enter the name of your customer and decide whether we need to take care of a building or a whole campus. Under Campus, you can include multiple buildings. Add the buildings, floors, and areas you want me to clean. Once you've entered all the information, click Save. Now your company's first customer has been registered. You can also add, change, or delete areas. Additionally, you can manage your team or your respective contact persons at the customer companies.